Hi guys, this is Gian Robertson and I'm excited to share this information with you today. This is an amazing opportunity that I've never seen in the entire 2 decades that I've been online creating websites and online businesses and helping others do the same. I've never seen an opportunity like the one I'm going to share with you today. I hope that you're super excited because I'm going to share the greatest opportunity I've ever seen here on the internet to create a recurring monthly income by simply providing a software as a service or a SaaS business. And I've never seen an opportunity like this in my entire lifetime. And I'm going to show you exactly why I'm so excited on how you can get started exactly where you're at with no experience, with very little money to invest, and to get started for free today. I'm going to give you a free course. If you listen to this entire video, I'm going to give you a free course that you can get started with, and I'll show you step by step how to get your first client, customer, and how to start making that residual income. Let's get started. First of all, there's 32 million businesses that have websites, that need clients, that need customers. 32 million businesses in the US that need your help, this service in their business. If you are wondering if there's any clients that you can go find, this is the model that you need to use, and here's the software that you need to use. And 32 million opportunities for you to find a client and to build that into a residual monthly income. I'm going to show you exactly step by step in this video how you can do that and how you can get started today with my mini course, and I hope that you're excited because I'm super excited. I started a website called oneinboxapp.com. The great thing is that I'm going to share that URL with you if you get started as one of my affiliates, where I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own residual income. Get excited. You can go check out the website at oneinboxapp.com and check it out, and know that you can clone that website and use it for yourself. I'm going to show you how you can go clone it inside my mini course and how you can get access. What it does is it allows customers to have one spot where they can receive text messaging, email messaging, and voicemail messaging, social media DMs, one inbox where it captures all that for that business and allows them to cultivate and make relationships with their customers. So there's just one app that they can have on their phone, and you see it in the background here. It's just going through doing the different functions that it does inside this one app. If they can have this one app, it's one inbox where they can receive all their customer data. They can store all their customer data in a CRM format. They can do automations, and all this in one app. I'm going to go through that a little more in detail in just a second. But consumers that receive text messaging over email open it 98% more often. If you send somebody a text message, 98% of them are going to open that text message, and not only open it, but read that text message. This is very important because most businesses don't integrate text messaging into their marketing platforms, such as their website. If you can't text message from your website, then you're going to lose a lot of potential customers if you don't use text messaging from your website. What's the difference between a SaaS model and an agency model? A SaaS model is a software as a service, and it allows you to retain more customers for longer periods of time. It doesn't have the bottlenecks or the churn rate that an agency would. It's charged between $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 a month for businesses to run ads and to get customers and clients through their advertising platforms. What we allow them to do is to run the same ads that are proven with a simple 3-click copy and paste industry specific ad that has been proven over time, and they can see the stats of that particular ad that has been used, and hundreds of thousands of dollars of ad revenue has been put into these ads, and they can see the cost per acquisition and they can choose to use those ads, and it's just a 3-click process. It's very easy. There's no learning curve. All they have to do is choose their industry, choose the ad, and run it on their Facebook advertising platform or their Google advertising platform, whichever platform they choose to use. And then they'll get the same results as if they were using an agency. They get the same results as if they were using an agency without the 200% markup that an agency has to charge just for the ads. They charge a 200% markup, plus they charge for their time and their expertise. But we are going to upset a lot of people here simply by creating this software platform that allows clients to choose an ad and run that ad without the markup. They go directly to the platforms themselves, Facebook and Google, and run their ads themselves, and they are confident that this ad will perform and give them the leads that they're looking for. This is going to upset a lot of agency owners. I'm sorry, but this software is spectacular and amazing that you definitely might want to switch from having an agency to having a SaaS model. And a lot of people have done that. And you get the opportunity to be on the front lines of this new technology. If you're considering this, stay tuned because I got a lot more information coming. All right, what we provide to businesses, any local business or any business that's small to medium-sized business, maybe they have up to $1,000 a month to spend for their advertising in their local market. What we provide is a software which has a lot of different functions, but its main functions is its one inbox capability. Basically, you can combine all your messaging services. You might have different apps for different services that you have to go out and keep track of different clients and customers and text message them using your personal cell phone number and those type of things. You don't want to do that. You want to have one app that's tied into your CRM that people in your office can access, and you can access it on your mobile devices as well. A smartphone app that allows you to access all your customers, all of them, and see the history of those customers, when the last time you talked, what was the last step that he took in the pipeline or the order process or the client getting process. What steps did they take? What's the next step? If you can keep track of that for thousands of clients, you're going to be one step ahead of your competition, and you're going to land those clients and close those clients into your business more often. Text messaging is king. Most businesses do not have a platform for text messaging. This provides that platform. So you can text message from your website, you can text message from your phone, you can look up client information and text message them. You can set up text message automation that they're automatically sent a series of text messages to get a certain results, whether that's closing them into a client, that's onboarding them into a system, whether that's getting them through the process. Hey, we just finished this step in the process and we just wanted to update you with a text message. Whatever that automation is, you can set that up for yourself, or you can have us set it up for you. Or if you want to have a business like mine, you can set it up for your clients. Text messaging, email, phone, and voice capability, and then social media DMs can all be integrated into one inbox, and every time a message is produced, it is recorded in the CRM, the customer relationship management software, and you can save that and you see a history of what's occurring in the conversation through text messaging, email, phone number, and DMs, and you can see exactly the history of that client right there in their profile. Not only that, but you can schedule calls with calendars, appointments, you can set up invoices, and you can use this for your entire team. Your entire team can have their own login and have their list of customers that they work with, and you can set this all up in this app. Plus there's web forms and chat bots and things that you can put on your website to integrate this system with your current website. You don't have to change your current website, or if you wanted to update your current website, you can do that as well. There's also other marketing opportunities, such as getting Google reviews from your website, from your clients to Google reviews, boosting visibility in Google, and getting higher in the search engine rankings, local search engine rankings. You can set up Zoom meetings, you can do social posting automatically, and there's a bunch of of other applications and functions within the software. But basically, just think of it as a one inbox that you can access all your customer information and communicate with them in the way that they like to communicate. Text messaging, email, phone calls, whatever they like to do, social DMs. If you want to talk to them on Facebook Messenger, you can do that right from this app. It's all convenient. It's on your mobile device and you can access it from your desktop. What I offer my clients, and you can offer your clients if you decide to join with me, to go get my free mini course, you go to gallanroberts.com/go, and there'll be a video just like this, and then you just sign up with your name, email, and phone number, and you can have access to my mini course, which will teach you step by step how to get your first client, even before you access the software and get the software, license the software for yourself. You can get your first client. What I charge my clients is $97 a month. That's doing it yourself, getting the one inbox software. And if you want a website or you want us to set things up for you, do automations and those type of things, it's a $500 set up the automation, set up the website, whatever it is that you want. Plus there's a $97 a month recurring access to the software. You can have as many users on that software as possible, so you can have your entire team on that software if you want to use it for just $97 a month, plus a $500 setup fee if you want us to set it up for you. But if you want to do it yourself, you have the option to do that. Just $97 a month, and you can get started with that. Now, if you want the ad package as well, where you have the 3-click automated ad package, where you can select the ad that you want and run it on Facebook or Google, then that's $297 a month plus a $500 setup fee. Plus it comes with the second package, which if you want a website or automations set up, and you're going to need some automations, some follow-up automations set up for the ad package. We'll set that all up for you. You don't have to worry about it. There's no headache. We'll show you how to use it. That's the other thing that I provide is 24/7 support for the software. So if you have a question, you just reach out to me, text message me. I'll set up a time on my calendar. We can walk through that process, and there's no cost to that. But just you have to be a customer of mine in order to access that support. You go to gallanroberts.com/go to sign up for the mini course. If you're interested in how you can make a 6-figure income from this, here's how you do it. You can sign up for this software, get your own license for the software. When you do that, you go out and get customers in your local market. There's a method for getting your first customers, and that's what I teach you inside the mini course. Day 1, it's a free mini course, and I show you how you can get started and get your first client before you even sign up to get the license for the software. Okay, before you even sign up to get a license for the software, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your first client for this software. In month 1, let's say that you could find 10 customers. That's 2.5 customers per week. If you can find 2 to 3 customers per week, you can make this money. Most clients choose the middle package. That's why I offer 3 different packages. They choose the middle package. They can upgrade to the other packages if they want to at any point. If they choose the middle package, I charge a $500 fee, right? Setup fee. That $500 times 10 clients is $5,000, plus the monthly recurring income from licensing the software is $97 times 10 clients. That's another $970. My first month, I make $5,970. So every month, I'm going to get those 10 new clients signed up. It's not hard. It's not difficult. It's just being consistent and reaching out to business owners in your local area and signing them up. In my mini course, I show you exactly step by step what to say, how to say it, where to find these customers, and all that inside the mini course. It's totally free. There's no cost. You don't even have to sign up for this program to get access to the mini course. You don't have to pay anything just to see if it's a good fit for you. Just to see if it's a good fit for you, to sign up for the mini course. If you were to do this over the next 12 months, and the gross total would be, now you could not do anything, right, and not earn any money. I'm not going to say that you're going to be a six-figure earner by simply following this system. I can't promise you that because I don't know you, I don't know your market, and I don't know your capability. But if you follow my system and apply it and do consistent work, you can generate $135,660 your first year in business. Now, I don't know about you, that is an income that doctors earn, that really professionals really earn, and you're actually earning more than that simply by sharing this software with a business. This is why I stopped everything that I was doing, okay? I'm not gonna promise you anything, but if you apply yourself, you could get the same results. After 12 months, you got $11,000 of recurring income coming in, right? That's after the first year, first 12 months, $11,000. Finding two to three customers a week, you can have $11,000 of recurring income, plus you get that $5,000 a month for helping people out, for helping businesses get set up. And really, it's only a couple hours of work per customer. And by the time you get to 120 customers, you probably have this outsourced and you don't really have to do that work. You probably outsource that. Your gross income is going to be $135,660 if you apply this and you do 2 to 3 customers per week for the next 12 months. You can go to my mini course and see how to do that, and you're going to love it. In the mini course, I show you step by step. The first thing I focus on is how to find that first customer. Now, if you're interested in this, it's going to cost you, you can start out at $97 a month to sign up for the software, to license the software for yourself, but you're not going to be able to sign up any of your customers at the $97 a month. It's just for your own account. You really don't want to start at that level. The next step is the agency level, where it's $297 a month, and like I showed you, your first couple customers will pay for this $297 a month. This is why I want you to get your customer first. Get your first customer and then sign up for this, okay? Don't go and sign up for this until you have that first customer. Once you have that first customer, you know where you stand, and you'll feel comfortable paying the $297 a month. The problem with the middle package is that you don't make any money on the text messaging or the voice call, the emails, those type of things, and you will have to pay that out of your pocket, okay? If you're charging your clients now $97 a month and they make a bunch of phone calls or a bunch of text messaging with their account, you're going to be out of pocket of that money. If you upgrade to the $497 package, you'll be able to make money on the text messaging instead of paying out of pocket. Well, there's ways to set up the billing that cost gets offset to your customer, but you have to know that up front. In this case, at the $497 level, you get to make money on the profit. It's arbitrage on the text messaging and the email system. If it charges you 3 cents, you can charge your customer 5 cents, right? You make a couple pennies every time they send a text. Those type of things. And it's like per thousand or whatever. But you know what I'm saying. You make a little bit of money instead of coming out of pocket for that little bit of money every single month. That's the difference. I want you to sign up for the Agency Pro account. I want you to sign up for the Pro account. But I don't want you to do that until you have your first customer, because if you do it before you have your first customer, then there's this whole anxiety. Oh, if I can't find a customer, don't want you to sign up for this until then. Sign up for my mini course. I'm going to show you how you get your first customer. You get your first customer, and then I'll show you how to sign up for the $497 licensing and sign up that first customer and start making money day one signing up for this program. Go ahead and sign up for the mini course. What are your chances? What are your chances of signing up and succeeding with this program? And this is where this outdoes any other program that you sign up, any other course that you've purchased in the past. The chances of succeeding with that probably low 20%, somewhere between 10 and 20%. What are your chances of succeeding with that? You might have paid thousands of dollars to get this course on Amazon FBA, or how to rank your websites for Google traffic, or how to do a number of things, and you sign up for this course and they promise you the moon and the stars, and they said your chances of succeeding are like 100%, because I've done it. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars using this program, and you can too. And I'm not saying that at all. Sign up for free And what I'm saying is your chances are going to be, if you do it without training, if you just go on and get the software license and not get any training, your chances are about 30% month one that you're going to drop out, you're going to quit. With me, it's going to be 40 to 45% with a mentor, with somebody who's done this and has done this. Like I said, I've been online for the last 20 years. All right. I've helped a lot of top name affiliate marketers, which I'm not going to name here. I'll name inside the mini course. I'll show you step by step who I've helped and how I've helped them. Inside the mini course, I'm just not going to make that public, but a lot of people that you've known online, I've helped. Okay. Month two, if you go through training with a mentor, with a support group, and your chances of succeeding are 50%. If you stay in 90 days, your chances of succeeding are going to be at 90%. And this is what we found, is that if you have a mentor and that you stay with the program at least 90 days, your chances of succeeding are exponentially higher than those in the 30% that don't have a mentor, don't have any training. And you're going to get free training up front. I'm going to get you started in the right way. If you apply the training that I'm going to show you inside the mini course, then your chances are definitely a lot higher than those who don't have the mini course and don't get started the right way. From day one, I'm going to show you how to get your first client. That's my total goal. And once you get your first client, then I'm going to show you how to set up and sign up for the licensing of the software. I'm going to show you step by step inside the mini course how to set it up for your customers, how to set it up for yourself, and how to do the automations and all those things that are inside of this software. I'm going to show you how to present it to your customers in a generalized way so that they understand it. Even the most basic non-tech savvy business owner can understand it and get it in front of them. And I'm going to show you how you can get access and get your own web page, clone my web page on oneinboxapp.com. You can go check that out. And if you want to get your own cloned website just like that one, with your own picture, your own information on there, and get it cloned and put up there, all you got to do is sign up with my mini course. Inside my mini course, I'll show you an option to get the pro version. Once you sign up, I'll show you the pro version, which includes onboarding and all those type of informational steps on how to get more clients to your system. That's going to do it for this training. Go and sign up for this mini course at gallanroberts.com/go. Go ahead and sign up for the mini course. I'll show you how to get access and license to the software at oneinboxapp.com, and how you can start making those six-figure income per year simply by signing up local business owners to this software. I'll see you there. I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Take a second and subscribe to this YouTube channel where I upload daily videos on how to get started with your own online business and make a residual income. If you like this video, you're going to love this video right here. Go ahead and click on it now.